to No Adventures. Today, we're going to be exploring Fleurs de Villes Voyage, presented by Porsche. It's a bit of a walk, so we'll do it for you. The next spot's right around the corner. And this building is stop number 2. Oh wow, only the snake. This is the tree of life. That serpent told Eve not to eat the apple, but Eve did anyways. Don't eat the apples at this exhibit. On to the next one. Right here is number 3. Number 4 is 2 blocks south on Yonge. On to the next one. Here's number 6. Number 7 is on the bottom floor. That was 5 to 9 and Holt Run through. Now you cross the street underground to go to 10. This one has a beautiful cotton dress on it.
So we started setting up Tuesday at 9 a.m. We went home. We ended up finishing Wednesday at 11:30 a.m.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
So, actually, great question. So, on Tuesday, we put in all of the original flowers, and I'll show you. If you take a peek in here, so you'll see like a green foam that the flowers were stuck into originally. So those were soaked in water when floral food, and then when they dry out, the flowers die. So now we're pulling out the old flowers and we're putting these water tubes on them to see if they can last the rest of the show until Sunday.
So it's like an experiment.
Totally. And we're trying it out because it's gotta last for however long, but we're fingers crossed that it's gonna last until Sunday, but I think it's gonna work. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great weekend, guys.
Thank you. In front of the LCBO, you have number 17. This one's called Entrance to Italy. This is stop 18. Number 19 is inside Harry Rosen. The next one is at Dolce & Gabbana. This one's also really pretty to take pictures in. Mother's Day is on a Sunday. A walk through Yorkville is perfect. Celebrating 75 years of Porsche, here you have this beautiful red Porsche decorated with tons of floral flowers. In front of Burberry, you have an English telephone booth. This one's called Ecuador Mannequin, which is stop 24. On to the next one. The next one's at the Park Hyatt. Right here's number 25 at the Park Hyatt. Let's take you through the 4 seasons. So first you have spring here with everything growing, summer with the beautiful roses, winter with the evergreen, and then if you come back here, you have fall with all the red and dead leaves, and then back around again. All right, to the next stop. And everywhere you hide. Stop 29 doesn't look like much, but actually if you look at all the lanterns, they're actually covered in flower petals. on to the last ones. It reminds me of a floral shop. Now it's finally time. We're going to the last sculpture. And the last one's here. It's literally the same car, just different color. Same car, same design, just different color of car. We had a great time exploring the Yorkville flowers. It was really beautiful seeing all of those nice flowers. See you at the next adventure. Bye.